Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Lois Prajapati, and what is yours?
My name is Kunal Panchal.
Kunal Pansar.
Where are you from?
I am from Malakpur. And what about you?
I am from Badot.
Okay, nice to know that. What are your qualifications?
I have passed 12th, and what about you?
I have passed 12th also, and nowadays I am pursuing graduation. What about you? What are you pursuing nowadays?
I am nowadays learning spoken English and study BTech.
Study BTech.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a lieutenant. And what about you? What is your aim?
My aim is software engineer.
Software engineer.
And what do you want to be?
As I said you that I want to be a lieutenant.
Do you know how to clear left hand?
Yes, I know how to be a lieutenant. What about you? Why are you pursuing BTech?
I am pursuing my BTech because I like BTech.
Okay. Okay, why do you want to be a only software engineer?
Because I like software engineer.
Do you have interest in computers?
Yes, I have interest computer.
Can you operate computer?
Yes, I can operate computer.
Have you done any diploma in computer?
No, I cannot any diploma computer because my personal laptop.
You have your personal laptop.
Yes, I use my personal laptop and skill develop.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies play games. And what about you?
I love to observe things, and there's one more that I love to play games, online and offline, both kinds of games I play.
Will you take dinner?
Yeah, obviously I will take dinner.
Where will you take dinner?
I will take my dinner at my home. What about you? What is your plan for your dinner today?
Yes, I will take dinner at my home.
And what would you like to take for your dinner?
I would like to milk and chapatis.
And what do you usually take?
What?
What do you usually take for your dinner?
I usually take chapatis and vegetables.
And which
What
is
about you?
I usually take vegetable and chapati.
And
And what about you? Which is your favorite food?
my favorite food is uh, all chawal.
Okay, nice choice. Okay, that means do you like homemade food?
Yes, I like the homemade food. And what about you? Do you
I
like
al-
homemade food?
I also love to eat homemade food. Okay, do you eat fast food?
Yes, I eat fast food. And what about you?
I also eat sometimes I eat. Okay, which is your favorite fast food?
My favorite fast food pizza. And what about you?
My favorite fast food is burger. Who is
Why
it?
why
Who? Okay, ask.
why is your favorite fast food burger?
I love the taste only. That is the reason only. Okay, who's your favorite pizza seller?
Mm, no, my favorite is no.
And which is your favorite category in pizza? There are lot of categories in pizzas.
Yes, favorite category is paneer
Paneer pizza.
and
Okay,
other.
nice choice.
And are you fond of burger?
Yes, I mean I am fond of eating burger.
Why are you fond of burger?
As I said you that I love the taste only. That is the reason. There is not any specific
Who are you
reason.
sick of?
And nowadays I am sick of my time management only. That is. What about you? What are you sick of?
I'm not sick of anyone.
That's nice. Okay, so as you are pursuing your BTech,
Yes,
so what will you do after your BTech?
I take job.
You will take job.
Yes,
Okay, do you want placement from your school or college?
yes. Placement give police and no give placement police. So my relation my mm,
Okay. Are you not comfortable?
yes, I am comfortable.
So why are you feeling agitated?
No, I am not hesitate.
So are you nervous?
No, I am not nervous. Are you nervous?
No, I am not. I am comfortable here.
Why are you fear moving?
No, I am not moving. I am just standing there. I'm just getting
Are you
adjusted.
free?
Yes, I'm free now
Nice.
for a while. Okay. What about movies? Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I watch web series mostly. Uh, Nowadays, watch Mirzapur and NCR days.
Okay. Are you crazy about Mirzapur web series?
No, I am not crazy about Mirzapur.
Are you fond of that movie?
Yes, I am fond of. And what about you?
I love to watch also movies, but I love to watch science fiction movies.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor. in Hollywood is Robert Downey Jr.
What is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer. My favorite singer is in a Punjabi. It's Kaka. He's a Punjabi singer. I love his song. And what about you? Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is DJ Immortal.
DJ Immortal.
Yes.
Is that singer?
No, it is rapper.
Oh, he's a rapper.
Rap mix.
Can you tell me any song of Immortal for that singer?
Yes, speed to meter catch and
Okay.
speed 2006.
Okay.
And other song is not
Okay. Why do you like only that song?
because just like that.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.